Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to pair your Apple Watch with a new iPhone. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your new iPhone is signed into iCloud with your Apple ID and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Step 2. On your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to power it on. Step 3. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Step 4. Align your Apple Watch with the viewfinder on your iPhone to pair automatically. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore from backup or set up as new, then finish syncing. That's it! Your Apple Watch is now paired with your new iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials.